Welcome to the Kia Center, where the Orlando Magic are playing the Miami Heat. And today we're going to be finding out what happens when 3 Brits go to a basketball game here in the States. Come and join us as we explore everything that the NBA has to offer. And we are in, and it is loud in here. Oh, they've got some like banging of some drums and stuff. Vibes are going. There they are over there. Really going for it. We went for some cheap tickets up at the top. So we are heading up the escalators, which is nice to see that they have escalators, because there's so many stadiums and things at home that just don't have it, and it's a nightmare if you're up in the gods trying to walk up all the stairs. But yeah, lots of escalators here, so definitely a bonus. Wow, they're everywhere, keeping the vibes up. Not just banging drums, but it's in a dancing as well. I don't think I've ever seen the soundbar on the mic go up as already before, but with them going past it did. And now it's time to check out the merch. Just heading into the merch. They have an Orlando Magic lounge flight. $90. I quite like that actually. It's very small. Shirts are nice, but $160 for these. Pricey. Also got some hats. That's not too bad. That one's $47. $42. $40. Slightly on the pricier side. They're probably the nicest ones. This though, bit of a cheaper t-shirt, only $100. Cheap compared to the rest that we've seen here.
Here is Scarlett trying on some hats at 50% off. Nice hat design there. Jamie thinking getting exactly the same one, so I go for matchy hats today.
Let's see what it looks like. I don't think this type suits me, to be honest. No, it needs to be more rounded peak for me.
Makes you look like you have a fat head.
Yeah. Here we are. I think we're section 230. See what the seats are like. Here's a look of our view. We're front row of the upper tier. And they're giving out free t-shirts. Here is a look at the free t-shirt.
Free hat!
Here's a look at our view. Not too bad. I think being at the front is pretty okay. Quite a good view of the court down there. So hoping for a good game tonight, because it's the opening game of the season, which I'm assuming is why there's the free t-shirt. But not only that, it's also the Miami Heat. So obviously a fairly local team to Orlando. So hopefully maybe a bit of good rivalry, certainly as back in England when 2 local teams play each other. And it's picking up. Okay. Definitely found the star of the show here. It's got to be this guy, drunken waving the flag, who's just been lifted up in the middle of the court. He is one cool dude. And they are off. Not a bad view of the court from up here actually. Quite a good angle, I think. End of the first quarter. Orlando Magic slightly behind, only by 1 point. Star of the show back out. Dragon is doing what he wants, I think. They seem to have got a ladder though in the middle of the court this time. I don't think he has a safety harness. No. Okay. This is, okay. What's the dragon gonna do? Brilliant, I love it. Oh. Dragon is psycho. George wanted the job of the dragon until she saw him do a backflip.
Not anymore. The ladder put me off.
I'd have paid to see George do a backflip off a ladder in a dragon outfit.
And the head stayed on.
Oh yeah, that's impressive.
It is impressive.
High quality suits that the Orlando Magic can get in here. They really go all out on the halftime shows here. You've actually got like some woman who has climbed to the top of the pole that's on a guy's head. Wow. She just dropped down said pole. Really go for it. That's pretty unique. I've never seen anybody do that before. Yeah. Halftime shows are going to stay, so always pretty good. Well, when it comes to food around here, pretty pricey. I think it's a lot of independent retailers because the prices just vary so much. Especially if you compare something that's equal, like a bottle of water, the prices varying by vendor. But you've got like Papa John's here, places that do burgers, pizza, there's cheesesteaks, so lots of different choices. But I think they appear to be maybe independent vendors on the most part. So take a look at the food prices here at South Street Eats. They're all kind of fairly similar. So you're looking $9 for a hot dog, $9 for nachos.
So you don't want a big
beer. You're looking $13, $14. Water $6. It is certainly pricey here. Second half off to a good start. Orlando Magic is in the lead now. As you see, it's been a lot of points so far this game. What is up with these crazy flashing lights that seem to keep going off? Yeah, you can sort of see it there. It's yeah, very annoying after over an hour of it. If anyone does know, please stick in the comments. I have no idea why it keeps going on. Just about to head into the last quarter, but again, they bring out another show. There was only sort of just over 2 minutes between the third quarter and the fourth quarter. Yeah, now some dancers come out. Dino is out and about again, doing his stuff in Miami's timeout. He's waving a phone round. He's getting everyone going. Smoke cannon thing, some fiery t-shirts, they got this dino out on a quad bike. I know, and they did all that in like the 1 minute something time out. Efficiency, that's all that raring to go. They are so close to winning, just by 2 points. 2 points in it, 6 seconds left. They got a foul. They get these in. It's theirs.
So if they get Hail Mary, get 3 points, now they've got a chance.
Here we go. 6 seconds left. Here we go. 3. And that's a wrap on the Orlando Magic versus the Miami Heat opening day. What did you think? It's your first time at an NBA game.
Really enjoyed the basketball, very good game. Didn't put on as much as the show as the American football, but I preferred the basketball to American football.
Yeah, absolutely agree with that. If you're on when the basketball's out, definitely worth a visit. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.